Commission management often means months of planning, testing, and implementation. It's a huge resource drain. We're going to challenge that reality. How fast can you set up commission plans in Spiff? Traditional commission plan rollouts are slow. Think months. You design, you hand it off to IT, they code it, you find errors, you iterate. It's a cycle of slow-moving spreadsheets and custom code that barely keeps up with your business. Spiff changes the game with its designer. It's a low-code environment that looks and feels like the spreadsheet you already know, but with the power of an automated calculation engine. This means you, the compensation administrator, can design, test, and deploy a commission plan directly. No coding requests, no waiting on IT. So, how fast is it, really? We're talking weeks, not months, for initial setup and deployment of a new, even complex, commission plan. But the real speed comes when your business changes. A new product launch? A territory restructure? Accelerators or tiers need updating. In a spreadsheet world, that's hours or days of formula hunting and error checking. In Spiff, you can often make those adjustments and redeploy in minutes. The low-code interface gives you the flexibility to adapt on the fly, testing different scenarios instantly before pushing the changes live. You can model a new plan against historical data right in the platform, seeing the financial impact before anyone gets paid. This speed delivers two key things. First, agility. Your compensation strategy can finally keep pace with your sales strategy. When a major shift happens, you can react fast, keeping your sales team motivated and aligned. Second, transparency. Changes are live and visible immediately, so reps see the updated estimates and new rules in real time. No more waiting until the end of the month to see how the new plan affects their pay. Faster setup, faster changes, and real-time clarity. That's the power of Spiff. It removes the friction from commission management so your team can focus on selling, and you can focus on strategy. Ready to see how fast your specific compensation plan can go from concept to live deployment? Click the link below to request a personalized demo. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more on simplifying sales compensation.